Hello everyone and welcome to a different type of video. So in this channel I've always been doing tutorials. Never really showed you guys what I do or what sort of project I work on. So me and my friend decided to start work on a project, a game, really a restaurant sort of game where we have like different sort of characters coming in and we serve them different sort of drinks. Okay, it's essentially a milk bar sort of. Okay, it's essentially a milk bar. We are working on the characters and I'm just working on setting up the basic mechanics, essentially working towards the first prototype where we'll just have a level where you can play like customers coming in and yeah, and you can take the orders. I should have recorded from the very start, but I didn't really, so I started recording from this session. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy me struggling through this project. So my friend will be working on all the awesome designs and I'll be working on the back end, basically working on the coding side of things. But yeah, hopefully in the journey you guys would be joining us and seeing how we both kind of struggle along the way. So yeah, enjoy. So yeah, I've decided to actually record everything that I do. Although, as you can see, I have done some bits to this project. Essentially what I've done is like I have the project, the first level. Okay, actually my friend designed the first level. We just have this spawner where the customers get spawned. Obviously that's not final. What you're seeing right now is like me trying to figure out how to take manual orders. So my idea, well, what I'm trying to go for is trying to have a way so when the customer comes in and sits down, I get some sort of like a speech bubble. Okay, my friend is working on the speech bubble. I was just getting the what do you call it? I was just getting the basics, well, basics like the setup done, and what you'll see, like there will be a couple of silly errors that I run into. So I didn't put the spawner on top of the table, so it was looking like the customers were not actually behind the table. And then I figured like there was an issue, like the spawners, the orders weren't appearing on top of where I wanted them to appear. Yeah, it wasn't actually working just fine. So I was doing some tweaking, and then finally it actually worked. So I made some private variables and exposed them to the editor, so I can like control them from the Unity editor. And there you go. Now I actually have the milks. I was working with the chocolate milkshake. So yeah, I have them spawning. I don't really remember what error I ran into. There was some issue that I was actually trying really hard to fix. At one point I just gave up. So hopefully I would be able to, figure that error out. Although I can't really remember what the error was. I think from the looks of it, I think I couldn't get the click to work initially, which is quite a silly reason actually. So my Unity wasn't suggesting the proper autofill, the actual thing that you want to use. So yeah, that was kind of an issue. Anyways, I actually spent like 5 minutes trying to figure out why the code isn't working despite having everything right. So what happened was I did not connect the script to the sheep object, like the sheep customer. So like it was appearing and I was clicking on it, but I never really connected the script onto the chocolate milk, okay, which was like, let me tell you, that was really, really annoying. And yeah, so next I would try to, I think I was working on something where, this is the part where I work on the speed, like how fast the milk go away, but like this is not final actually. If you guys have any ideas or any tips for me, for us really, you can comment down below. So right now what you see is it just goes away. When you click on the chocolate milkshake, they just go to the right. I did run into an error here. I was just trying. Okay. There's an issue which I didn't resolve here. The issue was some of the sheeps, they were spawning before they sat down on the table. Okay, so my way of going about it was to see if the velocity is equals to a 0 vector. The problem was I never really used velocity for them to move. Like I was using move towards, and that really doesn't change the velocity of the character, of the rigid body. So I tried different ways. Actually, tried to have a variable. Did whole heaps of stuff. I know there's an easier way to do it. I know there is. I actually I need to do some groceries. So I was like, okay, let's get this done and then go and do some groceries. Well, if you guys don't know, so the time of recording in Sydney, we have lockdowns from 9 p.m. So yeah, so I had to like make sure that I'm done and get some, food. It's, if anyone watches this video after like 5 or 10 years, this is from the time of COVID. Okay, I'm hoping in the future COVID won't be an issue. So yeah, what you're seeing is me desperately trying to finish this issue where resolve this issue where they come to an end. Anyway, so that was the end. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.